this is a good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within.
I'll put three of these on.
So where are we up to now?
I'm putting this in. I'm going to measure it in the middle, make sure it's in the middle,
Ah, right.
so that when we get the board,
It's got something to...
that it'll be something to hang on to, or screw it to, or nail it to.
That's the professional term, is it? How many?
That's 51.
51 and a half.
Yeah. Oh. Well, I'm just making sure.
So 51 and a half where? In the middle?
Well, that's in the middle, but I'm just getting it up to.
The top?
Yeah.
Because that's the important bit, because it's wider, isn't it?
Yeah.
How much?
If you come and hold it there, I'll tell you.
Right.
Oh, yeah, just on that.
It's twisted.
Sorry?
Is it? You twisted this end.
Oh, I twisted it.
Yeah, it's twisted this end. Look. That's it, now it's okay.
Thank you. Well, that is 53 and a half.
53 and a half.
Yeah.
And the other one's 51 and a half at this point.
Wait a minute, just you got it there then?
Yeah.
That's 51 and an 8.
Okay. And then the bottom's going to be narrower. So we put it against the wall. Well, yeah, put it against the wall. Okay.
40. Say 47.
Okay, go on. 47. Okay, so that's the size of the plywood sheet that you need it cut to, yeah?
Yeah. Yeah. Make sure it's
Yeah, 6 foot. I always thought it was about 6 foot. Height wise, it's 6 foot. So your piece would have to be 6 foot long, wouldn't it? And then cut out the other dimensions.
I've got that up there is
It's got stuck in the mesh. Yeah, better that way maybe. Do you want me to hold it?
Right. I think once we get
Right.
Can't believe I live in your
70
thoughts.
inches, it's
I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and
6 foot that
midnight.
end,
Such
70
a wonderful
inches this end,
delight.
height wise. It's 6 foot, 72 inches that end, and this end is 70 inches height.
Give up everything that I own.
piece of get it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'd give it all up
Doesn't really
now
matter
just to
because
be with you
less.
somehow. Unexpected love
Once you get
was found.
I get
You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you. Ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh. So slow, hold you in my arms, won't let go. The world around could pass us by, a thunderstorm, a lightning strike, as we hold each other tight. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you. Ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh, you, ooh, You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say, you're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you.
this is to go along the
Yeah, I know. Right, so take it right up to where you'd put the hinges. It's not going to be right. Look where the door is.
yeah. You see, you're only gonna we only want 6.5 off the side of it, don't we, for over there? And then we've got
Well, from the door edge to here is like 15 inches. Yeah.
one piece will do
Yeah.
this. Keep it like that.
Yeah, there's a gap at the top, so we may have to. We might have to do a filler at some point, but
Well,
we
you
need
could,
to just get the whole thing up first before we start worrying about what's at the top of the door.
you could do that way.
It'll get easier. Learn to live and let
So I'm standing at the back of the shed looking at the trees beyond and the buttercups and the overgrown wild area, which I love. And it's so hot. It's even hot with my hat on, so I've taken that off, so I've got straw hat hair. Anyhow, we had a delivery this afternoon after measuring up this morning and doing a second visit to the industrial estate. And we got these OSB boards, 8x4, and I think it's 9mm thick, for the back end of the greenhouse, which you can see there. And we're going to trace out the measurements that we made onto the boards and then cut them before putting it onto the back end. And they are treated, but we'll need to seal them once they're up. We get so much rain here, it's untrue. I mean, obviously the wind is a major factor in the disintegration of my greenhouse in the originally, but now we still have to account for the rain. So that's where we are at the moment. And life goes on, basically. Can't believe the heat. Just can't believe the heat. In fact, it's so hot, I don't want to go for a walk. And I don't think it's any more than 19 degrees centigrade, but when you're acclimatized to cooler climate, this is hot. It's not unbearably hot, but it's hot. So I can't imagine what it must be like if you're in hotter parts of the UK just now. We listen to the radio going down to the industrial estate, and we know that a lot of you are suffering from pollen and thunderstorms and the like. But tomorrow seems to be another good day, but tomorrow I'm going to be doing some sorting out. Yeah.